Hi everyone, welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. I am really excited today because there's a new product coming out on the market and it's going to change yet again how we cook. So the air fryer came on the market and really changed how we cook on a daily basis in the kitchen. Well, the air fryer is going to another level with the DREO ChefMaker. There's a lot of buzz about this product. It takes all the stuff we love about an oven and all the stuff we love about convection cooking. It brings in moisture, it brings in AI technology and an algorithm to bring precision to that type of cooking that we all love. So join me. We're about to take our first look at the ChefMaker from DREO. Okay, so we all know what convection cooking brought to basic baking and roasting. It brought a lot of evenness to the oven. I tested my brand new oven out and we went from bake to convection and it evened out the temperature and it greatly improves your results. So when the air fryer came out, it was this little compact oven. You could throw a single meal in there and have it out and on the table in minutes, right? And it does a fantastic job. So one of the frustrations still with an air fryer is the imprecise nature of it, because you put the meat in there and you can never like spot on cook it. Like if you want a steak medium rare, you can't spot on cook it and you get a lot of inconsistent results. So what DREO did is they took the concept of that small convection oven and they really worked on perfecting it. So they brought in steam technology, they brought in AI, they brought in an algorithm that monitors the temperature with a probe. So it took what we knew as an air fryer and they created a combo fryer. It brings that preciseness that we love with types of cooking like sous vide, and it brings us into the world of convection cooking. That's why this oven is taking YouTube and the internet by storm. It is going to launch soon. It is not out yet, but in the next couple of weeks, this cooker is going to drop, right? And we have one here thanks to DREO in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. We're going to get our first look at this because I love my air fryer and I love my convection oven. And if I can bring that precise cooking to basically what a restaurant can do into my home, I love it. Because Eric loves like steak and I love chicken and I'm always overcooking it. It's either undercooked or overcooked. And you know, I'm not a chef. So if I can get something that can improve the quality of my results, I'm all for it, right? So I just want to thank DREO for sending this. This is a ChefMaker. We're going to be looking at this in the coming weeks. We're just getting our first look at it now. And I believe a Kickstarter is launching to get this out there into the world. So meet your new ChefMaker. This is our quick starting guide. Now, I'm already impressed because I love cookers that come with good, easy to use documentation, training guides, right? That's what this is. Look at this. This is a serious quick start guide. So we have cooking tray. Everything is nicely labeled to tell you what it is. So here's our cooking tray for inside the basket. So here's our user manual, and I really like it because it has nice graphics to show you how to use it. It's great. Looks like we have our cooking probe. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Whoa, this thing is pretty awesome. Nice and compact. So here's our cook probe, and this is what is going to bring in a lot of that technology. So this is really like a smart probe. It's going to monitor what's going on in your meat, and then it's going to apply the algorithm to ensure you get great cooking. Okay, so we need to do the big reveal, right? I love doing this. You guys haven't seen the way this cooker looks. It's pretty cool. You're going to be surprised. So, are you ready? 1, 2, 3!
Psych!
Psych! Awesome! Look at this thing! Oh my gosh, I love it. It's nice and compact. That's the first thing I noticed about this is, wow, it's going to be pretty cool sitting on the counter. Whoa! Okay. I'm impressed. So here is our ChefMaker. And on top, there's a thing to put our water. So we're going to look at that. We have the basket. This is pretty cool. I like it. And we're going to, so this looks like it's a grilling rack. Cool, so you're going to use this with beef, pork, chicken, lamb, and fish. And you want to install it this way. So it's going to go this way, and it's going to go in here. So it says here front and back.
So you're saying it's air friendly then?
Yeah, I can already tell you what I like about this already. One of the things about traditional air fryers is you're going to put your steak in the basket, but the basket goes all the way down to the base, so it blocks some of that airflow. In this is sitting up above, so there's a lot of space between here and here. So when the air is flowing, it's flowing completely around all sides. So I really like this. This is a fantastic idea. I'm surprised no one's ever thought about it. Oops. There's something in here. Make sure you get that out. So let me plug it in. So with the basket, we have our grilling rack in here. Then we have this. We will use, if we're doing regular air frying or regular cooking, we'll be using that one. One of the things I did notice is, yes, you will be able to see in here because there's a window. But the probe goes in here. So the probe is going to be all on the interior. So you don't have to worry about this big old rope hanging outside here. Oops, the rope is going to be all inside the cooker. So we have our grilling rack here. And the probe will be inside there. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so we're going to turn our cooker on. And this has a lot of features. Sorry for the reflections. The very first thing I want to do is I downloaded the app. There's a QR code in the manual, or you can just go to the Play Store or the App Store. I'm going to add the device, and it's going to connect. It's making sure that make sure that the device is plugged in. It's searching for the device. And tap setting and follow the instructions. go to WLAN, connecting, pairing, and so it's pairing. And then we hit next. And then it sees us. And, oh wait. So it's connecting. I forgot to put in my Wi-Fi password. And so it sees it. And it's connecting to Blue Mountain. So when you connect it with your app, you can control it with the app. So if you want to control the cook, you want to monitor what's going on, you can do that through the app. So the app has tons of recipes. Buffalo chicken wings. You can get it by ingredient, diet, meal, cuisine. This is amazing. I eat a lot of chicken. And so as time goes on, they will be adding more recipes to that. What's great about it is I can constantly add recipes. So they have a red pepper butter chicken breast, which might be something that I'm going to cook. That looks amazing. So not only does this have the recipe, but it has a video in here showing you the exact steps. So it takes you along the process, not just giving you the recipe, but giving you a video to show you how to do it, which is amazing. It has all the steps, and if you hit cook now, it'll send it to the device. The device will know what you're cooking, and you can hit start. It wants water in the tank, which I didn't do. So the cooking modes are really interesting. So the chef mode is when you want to cook your meat to precision, right? So it's going to be using the AI technology. It's going to be using the probe. So if you hit chef mode and say you want to cook beef, so you can cook beef, vegetables, seafood, poultry, lamb, pork, and we're back to beef. So I'm going to hit beef. And it's going to go through and it's going to tell you the cut of meat. And there's a picture of it and it tells you how long it's going to take. Brisket, burgers, short ribs, filet mignon, flank steak, ribeye, New York strip, skirt steak. So say we're going to cook Eric's favorite ribeye. Here it's going to tell you you're going to use the grilling rack. It wants you to put the probe in. And it wants you to rub the steak with butter so you have that nice browning. Then you're going to pick your doneness. So medium rare, medium, medium well, and well done, which we don't do that to medium well. You can do classic flavor, so that's going to be like your traditional seared steak, or you can do it sous vide flavor. It's going to take long, it's going to go slower, and it'll sear at the end. So it just depends on what you like, and it's going to start. The difference between that, if we go back here, if we go to sous vide flavor, it's going to want water in the water tank. So difference between the sous vide and the classic is the sous vide is going to take longer, it's going to inject moisture. So we have classic cook, which does your classic air frying, defrosting, reheating, broiling, roasting, toasting, and baking, and dehydrating. Probe cook That's where if you just want to put the probe in, set the temperature you want it to cook to, and it'll do that. Favorites would be some of your recipes that you put in here. Obviously, I haven't done that. And the next one is your settings. And then there's a light so you can see what's going on. Please excuse the reflections. This is amazing. Not too many of these kind of ovens have a light. This one does. I love that. And this is where we're going to put our water. So when we do that sous vide cook, this is your water. So awesome. So cooks, are you ready to see what the Chef Maker can do? Stay tuned. We are going to be doing a cook. We're going to cook Eric a ribeye in this. We're going to see how this precise cooking can really give us a great results on a ribeye. Also, I might make some chicken as well, right? So stay tuned. This is our first look at the Chef Maker by DREO. This is going to take your convection, air fryer, cooking to a whole nother level. We're bringing precision in, and I'm really looking forward to trying this oven out. It will be launching soon, right? Thank you, Chef Maker, and stay tuned. We're going to try this baby out.